Honda Goldwing Key System 2025-2026. Smart Key System, keyless ignition, and operation add convenience and security. Hill Start Assist, HSA. Prevents the bike from rolling backward when starting on an incline. Walking mode, available on DCT models, this low-speed forward and reverse assist simplifies maneuvering in tight spaces. Tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, provides real-time tire pressure information to the rider, enhancing safety. Full LED lighting ensures excellent visibility and a modern aesthetic. Expect features like self-canceling turn signals,